po mga kabatak! In this video po, I will show you po on how to deposit money from debit card to your Ooredoo mobile money app or Ooredoo mobile wallet. So it's very fast, very easy, and sobrang ikli lang po ng video. So let's start po. First of all, syempre we have to open our Ooredoo money app. Here po. Let's sign in po. Ayan, so we are already here po in Ooredoo app. So it's very easy po mga kabatak. It's here po on the top left corner po in deposit. Ayan po mga kabatak. So QNB account number, if you have QNB account number, so you will just press it only, and then for example you want to deposit 100 reals like that, so you will have to press send SMS po, and then you can follow the simple instruction po continuously. So it's very easy lang po and napakabilis lang po mga kabatak. And then another one po is debit card is here, SSM deposit is here also mga kabatak. Ayan, you can see all here po if you want to deposit. Very simple po and no hassle, no need to go to any banks like that. I hope mga kabatak na in this short video po, I already show you on how to deposit the money from Ooredoo. Kita-kits po tayo sa next ko pong video. Marami pong salamat!